The modern wooden bed is ready, providing comfort and support for peaceful sleep.
The manufacturing process begins with the arrival of premium kiln-dried pine wood at the factory.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the balance on the left side there.
Proper stacking ensures airflow and material protection before processing. Only approved wood moves forward into production. Only high-quality pine wood moves forward. Approved pine wood is now ready for cutting. Large pine logs are reduced to workable sizes.
Material flow is carefully controlled inside the factory.
Precision CNC machines ensure exact bed dimensions. Prepared pine enters automated cutting. Clean cuts ensure strong bed structure. Engineered plywood forms the bed's headboard. Every component is measured for precision. Only dimension-perfect parts continue forward. Scrap wood is recycled responsibly. Each bed component is digitally tracked. Secure packaging protects components before shaping.
A clean environment ensures precise shaping.
Edges are shaped for comfort and safety. Smooth shaping improves durability and appearance. Precise holes ensure strong bed joints.
Dowel joints improve bed joint strength. Dowel joints improve bed frame strength.
Dust control maintains precision and safety.
Ensure the insert is flush with the surface before moving to the next one.
Reinforced joints increase bed longevity.
Defective parts are removed immediately.
Clean parts ensure perfect assembly.
Components move to final assembly.
Align that side, I'll secure this end. Looks good. All tight.
Controlled torque prevents joint damage. Perfect alignment ensures comfort and durability. The headboard defines the bed style. Every joint is torque checked. Fine adjustments perfect the structure.
Approved frames move to the next stage.
Frames progress smoothly through production.
Frame assembly is complete.
The slatted base provides mattress support and airflow. Smooth slats prevent mattress damage.
Make sure the gaps are consistent at the spacer.
I need the drill over here.
Almost done with this section.
Secure fastening prevents movement and noise. The slatted base is now complete. The slat system meets strength standards. The bed moves to surface finishing. Surface sanding prepares the wood for finishing.
Edges are smoothed for safety and comfort.
Slats are finished to protect the mattress.
Small imperfections are corrected manually.
Clean surfaces ensure perfect finish adhesion. The surface is ready for finishing. Controlled environments ensure even coating. The sealer locks in the wood grain. The sealed surface is prepared for final color finishing. Even strokes ensure consistent color depth.
Color tone is verified for consistency.
Controlled heat cures the finish evenly.
The finish has fully hardened.
Polishing enhances durability and appearance.
The bed meets finishing standards.
The bed is ready for final quality control.
Every bed undergoes rigorous quality testing.
Joint stability is precisely measured. The structure remains silent and strong.
Final visual checks ensure perfection.
Quality approval is officially recorded.
The bed is carefully prepared for shipping by disassembling into manageable components.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got the slats bundled.
Protective foam prevents scratches during transport.
All assembly hardware is packaged for easy customer setup.
Boxes are sealed tightly to prevent damage during transport.
Each bed is logged for inventory and shipping traceability. Beds are presented for customers to experience before purchase.
Yes, I'll take this one. It's beautiful craftsmanship.
Excellent choice, sir. Thank you for your purchase. Here is your receipt.
The bed arrives safely at the customer's home.
The bed arrives safely at the customer's home. Assembly is designed to be simple and straightforward for the customer.
The modern wooden bed is ready, providing comfort and support for peaceful sleep.